The tech world is buzzing with anticipation as Samsung gears up to launch the Galaxy S25 series. If the latest leaks are to be believed, we might witness some remarkable innovations that could redefine the way we use smartphones. From cutting-edge magnetic accessories to Qi2 wireless charging, there's plenty to get excited about. But before we jump into all the juicy details, let me remind you to join our membership for exclusive updates, insights, and behind-the-scenes content. The link is in the description below. Recent rumors suggest Samsung is planning to incorporate the magnetic power profile, a feature within the Qi2 wireless charging standard, into its Galaxy S25 lineup. This profile allows precise magnetic alignment with compatible accessories, making it a game-changer for convenience and versatility. While brands are not required to implement the magnetic power profile to comply with Qi2 standards, Samsung appears to be fully embracing this technology. Reports indicate the company is developing official magnetic cases for its upcoming smartphones, and these could completely transform how we interact with accessories. A Finnish retailer may have accidentally revealed Samsung's plans ahead of schedule. According to leaked information, this retailer listed not only the available colors for the Galaxy S25 series, but also details about the official accessories Samsung is expected to launch. Among these, magnetic cases have drawn the most attention. These cases are said to be transparent and designed to integrate seamlessly with Qi2 compatible wireless chargers. Beyond offering stylish protection, they could make it easier than ever to attach accessories like wallets, portable power banks, or phone grips without the hassle of manual alignment. Samsung's adoption of magnetic technology could give the Galaxy S25 series a significant edge over its competitors. By bringing functionality similar to Apple's MagSafe into its ecosystem, Samsung might set a new standard for smartphone accessories. Imagine snapping on your favorite gadgets with precision and ease, knowing they'll work perfectly every time. But the magnetic cases are just the beginning. Samsung is reportedly planning to release a variety of other covers for the Galaxy S25 series, catering to diverse tastes and needs. These include rugged cases for extra durability, silicone cases in bold colors like mint green and vibrant red, and even clear cases to show off the phone's design. Additionally, there's speculation that Samsung will introduce the Qi2 case, a popular accessory for its foldable devices, to the Galaxy S series for the first time. This move underscores Samsung's commitment to offering a comprehensive range of options for every user. In terms of storage, Samsung seems to be pulling out all the stops to ensure there's something for everyone. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to be available in 128GB and 256GB variants, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will reportedly offer 256GB and 512GB options. For those who need maximum storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could include configurations up to 1TB, alongside 256GB and 512GB versions. With such a wide range, Samsung is making sure users can choose a device that perfectly suits their lifestyle. The inclusion of magnetic power profile compatible accessories also highlights Samsung's growing focus on creating a unified ecosystem. This strategy could simplify daily interactions with smartphones, blending convenience with innovation. From effortless charging to seamlessly attaching accessories, these new features could significantly enhance the overall user experience. It's not just about adding more gadgets, it's about making those gadgets work together in a way that feels intuitive and reliable. As we edge closer to the Galaxy S25 series launch, it's clear that Samsung has ambitious plans for its flagship lineup. The potential introduction of magnetic cases, a wide range of covers, and robust storage options suggests these devices will be among the most versatile and feature-packed smartphones yet. If Samsung delivers on these promises, it could redefine what users expect from a premium smartphone experience. Now, let's not forget the bigger picture. These updates are not just about flashy new features. They signal Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology while making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable for users. Whether it's the convenience of snapping on accessories without fuss, or the freedom to choose from various storage configurations, Samsung is aiming to cater to every need. So, what do you think about these potential features? Are you ready to embrace the next wave of smartphone innovation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, for exclusive scoops, in-depth insights, and early access to updates, join our membership. Link in the description. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, we'll catch you in the next video. Take care and happy exploring. Peace out.
Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. AI-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.